കേരള പബ്ലിക് സർവീസ് കമ്മീഷൻ നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന കേരള ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ കോഡ് പരീക്ഷയുടെ മുൻകാല ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ് ഈ ഭാഗത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്രദമാകട്ടെയെന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. വിജയാശംസകൾ.
Wages of day laborers engaged departmentally for the execution of a work shall be claimed on muster roll within dash months. Answer: C. 3 months. All works done at a work site are recorded in a measurement book in form Kerala Public Works. Answer: B. 21. Discretionary grants are sanctioned by Governor and officials of the Revenue Department as per article of Chapter 8 KFC. Answer: D. None of the above.
The general instruction regarding grants in aid and contributions of public bodies, institution etc. is that state may make the purposes and activities in conformity with Article dash of Constitution of India. Answer: A. 282. What is the minimum book stock required for a library to be considered for payment of annual grant from government? Answer: B. 600.
What is the rate of library cess collected by the local bodies as part of property tax? Answer: D. Of 5%. House loan to government employees should be utilized for the intended purpose within dash years from the date of disbursement of the loan. Answer: A. 1 year. The advance that can be sanctioned to Class 4 employees to meet the marriage expense of their female children is 15 times of basic pay subject to a maximum of dash as per Amendment CS number 2 2018 YGOP number 832017 FIN dated 22nd June 2017. Answer: C. 1,50,000 rupees. The provision for advance for Thiruvonam festival was made in Article dash of Kerala Financial Code 1. Answer: D. 250. The advance pay sanctioned to a transferred employee should be recovered from his salary in dash equal installments. Answer: B. 3 equal installments. How much liabilities due to government from government employees and all India service officers dying in harness will be written off now as per GOP number 9117 FIN dated 29 September 2020? Answer: A. 5 lakhs. Chapter 10 of Kerala Financial Code 1 deals with various deposits and deposits in connection with election is mainly dash. Answer: C. Both 1 and 2. Government officers can use their discretion on kind of vehicle to be used and the distance to transfer money to another office when the amount involved exceed rupees dash. Answer: B. 2 lakhs. The register of deposits is maintained in form dash to record reference to agreement with contractor as explained in Chapter 11 of Kerala Financial Code 1. Answer: C. 43. What is the range of interest fixed to charge against a delinquent government servant involved in defalcation case on the amount of loss sustained after liabilities are determined? Answer D. 18% to 15%. Arrear claims of local bodies for statutory grants will be summarily rejected to government made after the expiry of dash subsequent to the year in which the claim fell due. Answer C. 3 years. Which officer is authorized to scrutinize the contingent bill containing claims for petrol or oil of a departmental vehicle by insisting for prescribed certificate from drawing officer? Answer B. Treasury officer. The transfer of government land with improvements thereon from one department to another shall be ordered by the district collector and board of revenue as per article dash of Kerala Financial Code 1. Answer A. 326 A. While forwarding the leave application of a gazetted officer to government by the head of department, who will certify regarding the title to the leave applied for. Answer D. Audit office. The topic, destruction of official records connected with accounts, describe about the period fixed for preservation of TA bills and acquittance rolls thereto as dash. Answer C. 3 years. Special rules, restrictions, etc. regarding 52 particular items of contingent expenditure referred in Chapter 5 of Kerala Financial Code 1 are explained in dash of Kerala Financial Code 2. Answer D. Appendix 4. When period of default of remittance of LIC premium exceeds dash months, the arrears of premia are to be remitted with interest direct to the LIC for revival of policy. Answer A. 6 months. Auction register mentioned in Chapter 6 Kerala Financial Code 1 is maintained in Form dash. Answer B. 20. Details of roads are recorded in Register of Immovable Government Properties number dash in Form 23. Answer B. Second. Logbook for motor boats are maintained in Form dash Kerala Financial Code Chapter 13. Answer A. 48.